It had been raining hard for weeks. Toby was feeling miserable. Everywhere was wet, wet, wet. His branch line runs through a village. The water in the river had risen with the rain. Only the Great Wall, known as a dam, was stopping the water from overflowing. Percy arrived just as Toby was about to inspect the dam for any damage. Driver tells me
I don't need him now. Don't be so daft, snorted Toby.
Driver tells me it may be dangerous up there. Please be careful, Toby, said Percy. I'll try, replied Toby bravely. Percy watched anxiously as Toby tootled away. Toodle! His journey took him over a wooden bridge at the end of the village. The river surged dangerously beneath it. Harold the helicopter was inspecting the dam as Toby arrived. Be brave, Toby, called his driver. We have to cross to the other side. The dam did not look safe at all. Toby was very worried. Soon he knew why. The dam's breaking up. We must warn everyone. Toby shunted back as fast as his wheels would let him. Percy was waiting anxiously for Toby by the bridge. The river had risen so high that the bridge was in danger of collapsing. The dam's breaking up. We must find high ground, shouted Toby's driver. Your only chance is to cross the bridge, called Percy. It doesn't look safe to me, wailed Toby. It's our only chance, said his driver. If the dam breaks, we'll be done for. It doesn't look safe to me, wailed Toby. The water was so high. Just drive across the bridge, you pussy, said his driver. Faster, faster! I can't! Wailed Toby. Toby was halfway across the bridge when disaster struck.
You may have seen a dam, but you've never seen anything like this. That's a lot of damage. How about a little more? No, that's a lot of damage.
Why are you stopped on the bridge? Called Percy. I'm so fucking scared, replied Toby. Don't be so stupid. Fucking move. Help! Called Toby. We'll follow him on our line. It meets the river further down. You stupid engine, said Percy. Now I have to save your ass. As Toby floated helplessly on the floodwaters, they passed a sign that made them shudder. Beware the waterfall.
It goes down.
It don't. It don't go down.
It goes down.
No, it don't.
It do go down.
Oh!
If we go over that waterfall, we're doomed. Then they saw Harold, who swooped low and shouted urgently to them. We're going to drop a rope to you. Attach it to yourself, quickly now. And they did, to one of Toby's buffers. Just then, Percy arrived. Harold flew over to him. We're going to drop hot drinks to you. Ow! Catch the rope and pull Toby to safety, he called. Toby was safe at last. When the floods were over and the dam mended, the villagers had a big party for Toby, hosted by Sir Topham Hatt. You were very brave, Toby. Thanks to Harold, I could never have been stuck in a flood, said Percy. Oh, I'm sure you would be. Percy rather hoped he'd never have to.
12 seconds later.
I told you so, said Toby.
What the fuck?